Hello, and welcome to our Tech Tips series. Today we're discussing cloud storage and its benefits. Cloud storage is a way of storing data that allows you to access the data remotely. The most specific way that you see this typically is SharePoint or OneDrive, and sometimes you'll also see items such as Dropbox and Google Drive. There are tons of different ways to store data in the cloud, and files are becoming easier and easier to store in the cloud. The important thing to keep in mind when doing this is what is the importance of the data and who is going to be able to see it. So for example, Google Drive is a very easy platform to share in. Now, however, depending on what you do with the security settings, it may not be super easy to make sure that you can control the audience for that. Dropbox and OneDrive, those applications are also easy to share on as well, and have some different controls for sharing data. Another consideration with cloud storage is to understand what the backup is for that file. For example, if you have a file that you've shared to make easy for remote use, but don't have a backup on that, or the platform doesn't provide a backup, you could be susceptible to data loss if something happens to the data. Now, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive are also target for threat actors, so security and monitoring of the files around those platforms is also a consideration. So if you have any questions on how to use cloud storage, feel free to reach out to us and connect. Thanks for watching.